the mechano-electric aircraft was presented at Wilberforce, Chuba Okadigbo International Airport, Onwe Kirboni State, on the 22nd of December, 2025, as he is getting into the prototype of the aircraft model. This model has the features of Airbus 350 and according to the innovator. This will enable detailed and deep explanation to the students coming for excursion. Every detail of the aerodynamic forces and aerodynamic moments will be explained in this video. The model was carefully created with treated carton, converting it into carbon fiber to improve the strength of material of the aircraft, filler substance enabling the smooth surfaces, and finally using a spray with a filler paint to beautify it.
Here is the trailing edge or winglet located at the tail end of aircraft wing. The construction was a gradual process which started with using chemical to treat the carton, blend them according to shape to achieve desirable design. To improve the strength of the wing structure, some trusses were made across the area of the wing. During this process, I calculated the center of gravity, which is known as CG, and the neutral point, which is known as MP, of the aircraft to enable the release of the aerodynamic forces and aerodynamic moment. At this point, we are fixing the wing of the aircraft to the fuselage and also to maintain the firmness. Right here, the filler and smoothing process is done and the aesthetics is coming up gradually. Here comes the full model. Perfecto. Right here, trying to display the aerodynamic forces and aerodynamic moments using the 3D stand. Alright, let's explain the aerodynamic forces of the aircraft. According to the Newton's first law, an object continues in its state of rest until external force is being acted upon it. The second law let us know that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the applied force. And the third law said, for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. These are the laws that goes in line to the principles of an aircraft. Lift, which is due to the air under the wings, goes against the weight. And the weight, which is the negative force due to gravity. And the thrust, which is due to the propelling power of the jet engine, goes against the drag, which is due to the air resistance. And all of this is under the principles of Bernoulli equation and continuity equation. In this picture, you see the slower air side and you see the faster air side. The slower air side is the ambient air being sucked by the engine, and the faster air side, which is V2, is due to change in velocity by the propeller or the jet engine of the aircraft. Therefore, the action is the force produced by the engine, the jet engine, and the reaction is the thrust that keeps the aircraft going. Aerodynamic moments. We have first one, pitch moment. Watch the movement of the aircraft. Secondly, we have the roll moment. Watch the movement of the aircraft. Then thirdly, we have the yaw moment. Watch the movement of the aircraft. These are the three moments of aerodynamics. So Thank you.